So our ode to the In-N-Out Burger is our Veggin' Out or Vegan Out. I wanted to show you how we make that. It's a vegan brioche bun that I like to toast, but you don't have to have it toasted. We have simple iceberg lettuce. We use baby iceberg lettuce. Beautiful tomato, and again, we use Follow Your Heart American cheese this time. And we put a little caramelized onions on ours, as well as I just went out and got Vegenaise, Chipotle style. You can use regular Vegenaise and add sriracha or any kind of sauce that you like on your patties to make it a little bit different. Basically, you'll take the patty that we showed you in the other video. You'll cook it in the oven to get it a little bit hard or crispy on the outside. And then you'll also melt the cheese. While the patty is in the oven with the cheese melting, I take a little of the Chipotle mayo and I spread it on the top bun and just a little bit on the bottom bun. I like Chipotle mayo, as you can see. We put a little lettuce, just iceberg lettuce. We use baby iceberg. We put that down on the bottom bun. And then on the top, we put a little bit of the caramelized onions. Then we take our patty that just is fresh out of the oven with the melted cheese. We take a beautiful slice of tomato. And depending on the tomato, you might want to add a little salt on there just to give it a little bit more tomato flavor. And we quickly just flip over the top. We put a stick in ours. And here is your Vegan Out.